Hi everyone, and guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Marimar, and I'm yet back with a very interesting video, my people. I want us to mount, as you can see, my ring light. I want us to do it together. So feel welcome and stay right there. So we have the tripod stand right here. First of all, we'll start by kutoanisha. Kwanza tutoanishe. Okay, so my people, right here, this is the ring light, as you guys can see, and I found kuna hizi vitu za kuconnect wapi hapa kwa ring light. You understand? Do you get it? So acha tuanze. Also here we have the tripod stand, na hapa kuna some knobs, so nitaonyesha how we do it, venye tuta adjust everything ndio to make sure hii kitu imesimama. Okay,
what?
Yeah, let's do it guys. So I'll start by adjusting. I'll adjust this knob ndio stand isimame, so I'll loosen it as I'm doing right now. Okay, and I told you guys this is 2 meters, 12 inches tripod stand. So I've loosened them, and now as you can see, the stand is standing, but I think that's too much. That's too much. So this is how I adjust my stand. I teremsha it from there, and then so I think, let's know. Acha tutumie hiyo. That's fine. So let me now tighten the knob. I'm doing that right now. Yeah. As you can see now, the stand is standing, right? Okay, now my people, I want to make this stand a bit taller. So what I'm going to do is I will loosen these knobs. We have this one and this one. I'll loosen them. So stay right there. Mnaelewa wadau dates. Yeah. So as you can see, let's use a height that is comfortable for me, but you can adjust venye unataka. Hii ndio natumia kuweka simu. Hii ndio ya kuweka simu, na hii pia ndio ina support. You get it? Do you understand? Do you understand? So stay right there. First of all, I won't need that. I need kuweka hii knob hapa hivi. So hivyo ndo nafanya tu sahi, as you can see. That's what I'm doing. Tuweke mpaka to make sure imeshika vizuri. Umeona? Sahi iko tight, eh? Okay, and then we have also this knob. This knob I can loosen it ile time nataka, maybe my ring light iname iende hivi. So it's 360, so naweza legeza mpaka venye nataka. Alafu nikishatosheka na venye nataka, I will tighten it. So right now let me acha sasa ni shikanishe. Hello? Do you understand what I'm saying? Mnaelewa najua. So let me Now, as I told you, I can adjust here so that my ring light inaweza kaa ile side nataka. So let me loosen this ndio iname hii side. As you can see, it imebend this side, so nataka ikam hivi. You get it? Do you understand? Yeah, so let me tighten it. Ooh. As you can see, I like it now that way. Can you see me? Can you see me, guys? So now let's fix this. So my phone inakaa hapa. So let me fix. First of all, you see how it looks like? So hii inafaa ikue hapa ndani. Inafaa ikue hapo ndani, as you can see. So first of all, I'll start by removing this. So I can put it inside like this. Do you understand? I'm telling you, mimi ndio mwalimu leo. Haya, so I fix this one here. Mfuate. Have you seen it? Like that. Then I'll fix this one just right here.
I know right now it is making sense. So
yeah, I'm tightening it.
I will make sure that
like that. So I can put my phone right here. We have mounted it. So right now we have to connect to a power source so that inafaa ifanye nini? Iwake. So right now my socket is just here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this cable and you can test it. Okay, guys? Stay right there. Connected it. So let's test, guys. Do you see that, guys? Okay, the lights are 3. So we have this one, we have that, you can see the difference, and we have that. So for now, I don't know which one looks good on me. This one? This one? This one looks good on me. So we can add the light like that. Let me use the maximum. Guys, right now you can see the light is okay, the ring light is settled and it's cool. So guys, that's how you fix a ring light. And right here is that just where I will be putting my phone. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. I hope you have loved it, and stay tuned, guys. Until next time, bye for now. Au revoir. See you in the next one. See you soon. Peace.